Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram stories to grow your business with this super duper special lead magnet I'm about to show you. And this technique is absolutely amazing. So we're going to get right into it. We're on Instagram and I'm going to show you how to do a story. So you click story and then camera. And usually you just take a photo with a white button in the middle. Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to go, oops, see, that was wrong. That's not, we don't want that one. We want the discard. I did that by mistake. So you go, hey guys, are you an online marketer wanting to grow your business? Then you take your finger off that. Then you go, you click on the top left button, the back arrow. So then you save the draft. Then you get another angle. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you the best lead magnets on the planet. Then click the back button, save draft. Now I'm going to do something really extraordinary. Here's the best lead magnet on the planet. What it does, it's an e-magazine. And just imagine how impressed people will be if you're with a health and wellness company and you've put recipes in, exercises in, and you can actually, you can actually put links in to your products. So you give value on the first few pages. And what if you put some products at the end? This is such a really good way of standing out from the crowd. So if you like this video, give me a love heart. Give me, if you want to know more information, type the word Bill below and follow me for more information. The link's in the bio. But so now I've flipped my screen, I can now show you how you can get a super duper lead magnet that looks more professional and helps you stand out from the crowd. You can put links in, you can put products in, and it's really exciting. If you want more information, type the word build below, tap the like button, tap the heart button, and give follow me for more information. Links in the bio, but DM me for more information with the word build. Haha. Right. Now, what you need to do is you click on, oh, hold on. Go back to this screen, and I'm going to show you, you click on the little smiley, click on captions, turn it down, and basically Bob's your uncle, Sally's your auntie, and it just, you don't know, it just saves you so much time. Okay, then once you've done it, don't forget the call to action. It's really, really important. Always finish with tap the heart button, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, links in the bio, and give me a message. So then I can press done. Then I'm going to press next. Then I'm going to share. And it's as easy as that, guys. Now, how easy was that? I hope you're going to actually go and have a look and just do it. Okay? Stop share. I want you to go and practice this now because it's so much fun. Get one of your products. I mean, if you want builderall, the link's below because I'm now back on YouTube. And there is a 14-day trial, but it's so exciting to be able to do this because you get the capture pages and the emails in there as well. So you've got the whole little package and there's 40 different tools, and that's just free. Watch out for the next video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and type the word builderall below.